Hi, I'm Emilio.
Hi, I'm Ivan.
And we are the Martinez twins.
And we're playing Guess That Sound.
Let's do it.
There we go.
Nope. Oh my God. Damn it.
Let me see if I can open it.
Oh, what's that?
We can.
Bro. Is that a cookie? Stop doing that, bro.
Can you?
Oh, that's a pickle. That has to be a pickle.
You got it. Can you finish it? Wow.
Ah. Stop. Oh, how is it called? Damn, I don't know in English. Is that like a tape? Come on. It has to be like a duct tape?
Yeah, you got it.
Damn. What the hell is that? Oh my God, what's that? Is that food?
No.
Sounds like a tape again. Ow. Scissors? Maybe? I don't know. That's has to be a candy. Gum.
No.
Lollipop.
Yeah, it's a lollipop.
There we go.
Oh, snap. Got it. Let me taste it.
Is it good? Salad. Onion. Carrot.
Close.
I know the name in Spanish. Maíz.
Yeah, you got it. Corn.
Corn, there we go. Paper. Como una lija. Damn, I don't know the name. What? What was that? Oh, fuck! Bro. Oh. Oh. How's it called?
Foam.
Phone. There we go. You're right.